Hi, I'm Sunette Smith, the artist behind Sunette's Smoky Creations. I create unique hand-burnt wood art inspired by nature, spirituality, and the beauty of life's journey. Every piece is handmade with love, patience, and a story waiting to be told. This is one of my latest pieces, called Still Becoming. Some transformations are beautiful, others are painful. This piece is not about a woman who has already risen from the ashes. It's about a woman who is still standing in a fire. Life is a journey, and each of us is constantly learning, evolving, and becoming who we are meant to be. You will find a dedicated video of Still Becoming on my channel. Please like. And thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope my art brings a little inspiration, hope, and light into your day. May you have a wonderful day and please stay safe. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see unique pieces like this coming to life. Thank you.